So this is the live recording from the Omega Tau podcast listener meeting here in Amsterdam. Of course, there is a high overlap with this other podcast. So we can also sell this as an APG meetup, except for Hannes, but we decided to convert him to an APG listener as well. So, well, what should I say? I was told I have to talk for about 5 minutes. We are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people here, including me. And we'll just start by the guests introducing themselves. Who wants to start?
Apparently this is the typical way that Marcus likes to introduce his guests by just telling them they should themselves. Fine. My name is Hannes. I am from Stuttgart, the best place in the world. And I live here in Amsterdam and doing research on data management systems, which apparently is not a worthy podcast topic because it's only stuff about planes that is interesting enough. But I'm a big fan and happy to be here today. And with this, I will move the microphone on.
Thank you very much. Yes, it's Nev here. And of course, it wouldn't be a podcast without having a technical moment, would it? So we just had a technical moment with my recording device, but we're okay. So yes, I've flown in today from London to see the guys, and yeah, very nice it is too, in a nice bar and having some beer and food. And yeah, thank you very much indeed, Marcus, for organising it. Very nice indeed. And I shall now pass you on to another familiar voice.
Well, hello. This is Masha, and I live here in Amsterdam. And I'm just here to celebrate my birthday. Yay! Yes, of course. You should all sing right now. But I'm also here to meet some familiar faces, of course. Mila, Sjoerd, Neville, and Marcus. I met you at Farnborough, yes, and some new faces. And, you know, it's always nice to be together with podcast family. And now I'll pass it along.
Hi, it's Mila here. Yeah, we have this listener meetup, and we have had already some fun because we got Neville and Masha some birthday gifts, and they just unwrapped them. And yeah, we had fun looking at the gifts and talking, chatting, and we have some cheese and sausage and drinks. So it's going to be a great night, I'm sure.
Hi, this is Sjoerd Bakker, also from the Netherlands. From The Hague, it's a 1 hour train drive, so that was quite easy. I didn't need to take a plane like Nev did. So yeah, it's a nice bar. It's the Wilderman in central Amsterdam, and they have some nice beers on tap. And I think this will be a very enjoyable night with the guys. Glad to see you all. And Marcus for organizing it. Thank you.
Yeah, and last, I'm Robert, and I work here in Amsterdam. I do ultra-fast laser spectroscopy, and at the moment we are just enjoying beers and guiding cables over the table, which is very familiar actually to me. And yeah, we are enjoying some good beer and food and good company. So thanks, Marcus, for organizing.
2 more things I wanted to say briefly. One, of course, it was Nev who brought all the recording equipment. He has these magic, bags with recorders and XLR cables and microphones and extra batteries and batteries that are empty and then recharge themselves automatically somehow. But it all worked out. That's great. And also, we actually did sing, but I cut it out afterwards for the sake of humanity. All right, so, the problem is I never know what I should say because I usually have the guests who say all the stuff. So I guess I'm just shutting up, right? Anything else anybody wants to say? Nothing important, they said. All right, then thanks for you guys for coming and for the rest for hopefully listening to this somewhere.